So today in this Primavera, we will see how to delink activities. Like for any activity, we will be having predecessor and also successors, right? So for that, like if you want to remove the relationships, how to remove, like we will be seeing now. So you can just select all the activities and you can just go for right click where you can just go for link activity. So it will automatically link all the activities in finish to start relationship. But now we are going to discuss about how to delink activity. There is no special or specific command to delink activity, but we can able to make use of assign and then successor. So this is what we can able to make use of delinking any relationships. So go into that and then you need to select everything and you need to click remove, and before that you can just check here the successor. So you will be having like a successor for every activity. See, or you can able to see the relationships here. See, once you select everything and you click remove, are you sure you want to remove the selected activity relationships? Then you can put yes. So before that, I just want you to show like how it will be. Like you can click here and you can see the successor and you can remove one by one. So this takes time, and even now you can able to see the floats and everything. Now what I'm going to do is selecting all the activity, right click, assign, successors, and here also selecting all the activity, and then you need to click a remove button. Are you sure you want to remove? Yes. And then close it. Now you can able to see there is no relationship lines. So in spite of switched on, still like we don't have relationships lines here, which means like any of the activity doesn't have any successor and it won't have predecessor as well. Now what we can do, like we can able to see by scheduling again, then the float and everything will be going. Schedule and then click schedule. See, now we can able to see everything. So without any link. So each activity is separated like open-ended activity, and the floats accordingly it's showing based on the constraints. See, here we have some constraints now, that's why here we can able to see the critical or floats. We can able to put a none, and again here also we can able to just see. So anyway, now we can just go for schedule again. Now only one critical because it is the longest duration. Okay. Now if you want to link all together, you can do that. Go for right click and then go for link activity. So it will automatically like link all the activities finish to start. Now once you schedule, we can able to see. And later, so if you want to modify something, you can able to modify. So by going here or here. So by selecting any of the activity, and you can able to just make use of the relationships. So like this, you can able to link all the activities together, or you can delink all the activities together as well.